Step up your game this holiday season by making Christmas balls yourself. Don't worry, we'll share the step-by-step tutorial with you, so stay with us for a while. After you've folded and cut the tinsels, grab a plastic ball and a glue because you've got some more work to do. This looks so fun! Do the same for the other part of the ball as well. You can make this project even more fun if you include a loved one. It's a great way to spend time together in these festive days. It's time to get a bead cap and a cord for this part. Looks good! Now let's put the two pieces together. Hot glue gun will help you with that. All done now! These look incredible! We encourage you to give this idea a try. Here is yet another method that you can try if you feel like it. For this one, you'll need sequins, plastic balls, and glue. The process is pretty much the same as before, so you already know how easy this is to be done. By the way, 3mm sequins are being used here, but feel free to use other sizes or even colors if you want to. Once you try one of these ideas, you'll never go back to buying Christmas balls. You can pour your creativity and come up with new ideas as well. You're almost done now. Cover all the surface and don't leave any blank space. It definitely looks like something that's worth making. If you try these out, leave a comment down below telling us about your experience. We'd love to read that. Thank you for watching with us. We hope you enjoyed the video.